Hello friends, I hope you did quite well, and here unique brush texture and effect template for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for SSMIL file. Go to sherry.com, just one time payment for SSMIL file. Okay, here is just preview, and here files. Next, stamp and wash ink. You can use in Photoshop. Here alphabets in PSD file, letter, number and sample. Sorry, here a PNG and here PSD. Same thing here in PSD file. All file in this alphabets and number, other elements, bar, frame and grid. Brush file, preview. AI and EPS for Adobe Illustrator. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.